So I've got a birth child at home with me. She's only 4 years old. She was actually 3 at the time when I started fostering. Because she's an only child, she actually really enjoys having that company of the children that, you know, her simplest of the household. So for her, you know, she's actually looked up to some of the children. You know, they've played with her, they've done drawings and paintings, and, you know, she still sees one of them as a sister. You know, that relationship's always going to be there now. They absolutely idolise each other, and, you know, for me that's a positive experience. You know, she's never seen anything negative, you know, with any children that we've had in placement. So yeah, for her it's been absolutely wonderful and will continue to be, you know.
Yeah, I agree with you, Lisa. My children were sort of grown up, yeah, so it didn't really have impacted them in many ways, really.
Yeah, and as having adult children that don't live with us, like, they definitely feel proud of us, don't they?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. They're like, they're not only proud, but they're like happy to see Mum happy, doing what she's doing, you know.